My people, everywhere buzz to go call my people. Hey, see, Nigeria jecha nke a. Nigeria abaala one chance. Nigeria is in a big shit now as I'm speaking to you. Nigeria and Finland, these two countries, abaala one chance. Pan-African Forum don drag Nigeria and Finland to court of law. My people, Mona just listen. We have noted with concern that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has openly commended the government of Finland, despite the fact that Finland has knowingly or unknowingly been associated with matters involving gross violation of international law. As international lawyers, we wish to make it categorically clear that we are now taking over the matter through the appropriate European courts. We shall subpoena you in person as the head of all the military, police, DSS and other agencies that dehumanize Nigeria. We shall expose the systematic acts of international terrorism and gross human rights violation being perpetrated by the Nigerian government, acts which include abductions, unlawful renditions and disregard for international judicial orders. Nigeria has already carried out the abduction and unlawful rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in blatant violation of international law. Furthermore, there were clear plans in collaboration with Finnish authorities to unlawfully rendition Simon Ekpa, plans which were successfully blocked through legal actions in Europe. Next week, we shall approach the Old Bailey in London to seek a judicial summons against President President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Our petition will call on the court to compel him to appear before a judge in the United Kingdom to answer serious queries regarding his government's consistent violation of human rights against the Nigerian people. We shall also seek binding order ensuring that once he steps foot on UK soil, he is compelled to respond to this summons. This culture of brutalizing Nigerians with impunity while enjoying international legitimacy will soon come to an end. The world must understand that justice delayed cannot become justice denied. Accountability is inevitable. And the chairman said, President Alex Tob, European Union Commission, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you are reading this letter, then you should resign for engaging with a government that serves impunity in Africa. Some detractors have tried to equate their stupidity to my good work, accusing me unfairly as I work to fix Nigeria and Finland floating international. Let me be clear. The ruling in Finland was decisive. This is a legal fight with Nigeria until Biafra is free. I want to remind the world of two crucial cases of illegal extradition that remain unresolved. Why I want Tinubu to come to London or send his lawyers to court in London to tell the world these orders were not enforced. 1. January 2028, the Naira 10. Sisiku Ayuk Tabe and 9 others were unlawfully arrested in Nigeria and forcefully extradited to Cameroon. This action was a blatant violation of both international law and Nigerian domestic laws. The Nigeria High Court later declared the extradition illegal and ordered their release and compensation. Yet, this judgment remains ignored, and the Naira 10 continued to suffer arbitrary detention in Cameroon for more than 6 years. In June 2021, Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria abducted Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya, an act the Kenya High Court declared unlawful, finding Nigeria guilty of illegal abduction and extraordinary rendition. Despite this judgment, Nigeria has refused to comply with the order to release him. Both cases expose Nigeria's blatant disregard for the rule of law, international human rights standards, and its own legal system. The Naira 10 remained detained under cruel and degrading conditions, sharing overcrowded spaces with mosquitoes and cockroaches, forced to use the same room for urination and defecation. This inhuman condition violates the Africa Charter on Human and People's Rights and the UN Stand Minimum Rule for treatment of prisoners. Nigeria's persistent refuse to obey court orders, coupled with these inhuman practices, demonstrate that this is not a government qualified to speak on human rights anywhere in the world. God bless you. Signed, Dr. David Matanga, founder, chairman, Pan-Africa Forum Limited and Associate, human rights advocate, defender of justice and freedom. Issue from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, on the 3rd of September 2025. My people, now Nigeria and Finland, What dey even surprise me? How Finland stoop too low. They shake hand with this man, Shetima. They shake hand, they don't dey jolly, don't catch African mugu now. Make them run them local, make we go dry them. Inokwa. Hey, now wow, the guy one place mad, but Kama go catch them this time around. My people, share this video and leave your thought in the comment section.